Here is how we wash our dogs. About once a month, they come over to the house and they take the dogs out and groom them. And I think one of them's in there now. I think Palmer, my big boy's in there. We'll go and check it out. Say hi to Ann. Ann's the groomer. And see how things are going in there. Here we come. Well, hey Ann, how's it going?
It's going good.
Who do you have in there? Our big boy Palmer. Hi Palmer. You're getting so prettied up, aren't you? Say hi Palmer. Palmer's so
Brother's
cute.
been beating him up.
Yeah, they fight all the time. They're just real boys, that's for sure. Yeah. All right, Ann.
You're going to take Sally to the vet?
Yeah, I'm going to. So, okay, we'll see you later.